If you are thinking of becoming a Norwex consultant, you probably are wondering what comes in the starter kit. And I'm so excited to share with you because it is so many of my favorites. Now there's 3 kits to choose from. I'm going to start with my personal favorite kit, the standard starter kit. The way this works is you only pay the $9.95, so less than $10 shipping to get it to you. And then when you have at least $1,500 in retail sales in your first 45 days, you never pay another dime for it. It's free. You earn it completely free. Now, should you not meet that goal, then on day 46, Norwex will charge you the $200 for the kit, which is obviously worth more than that. So I'm going to walk you through first what comes in the standard starter kit, and then I'll take you through the other 2 kit options if those are a better fit for you. Okay, standard starter kit. Of course, it comes with our world famous EnviroCloth. This is your everything cloth. This is the one that has silver embedded, the backlock technology, and you literally clean with just water. And the fibers go to work picking up to 99% of bacteria from the surface. Then the silver goes to work keeping the cloth purified so it doesn't get stinky and gross, and you don't have to wash it all the time. Along with it is its very best friend, the window cloth, in this beautiful nod to Norway mountains. Isn't that so pretty? So you're going to get those 2. Also, you get our very popular dusting mitt. So this is going to replace all of those disposable dusters. You just put it on and dust. Now it works on static clings, so the main rule with our microfiber is never wash it with fabric softener or dryer sheets, and try to use an eco-friendly detergent without a ton of fillers, all right? Super easy. This dust mitt is amazing. You just put it on. It's going to statically attract the dust, the pet hair, all the things, which is going to keep your home healthier and looking good at the same time. Okay, so you've got your household package, and next is my personal favorite cleaning product in the entire catalog, the mop. So if you have any non-carpeted floors, you are going to love this mop system. You get to clean with just water, and you get the dry mop pad, which again is much like the dusting mitt, but on your mop pad, it's going to statically attract all the pet hair, all the dust, all the debris on the floor, and the wet mop pad. Now these are color coded: yellow sunny dry, blue water wet. This one you wet with just water, then I just wring it out like this, kind of roll it and wring it, and you're ready to mop. And remember, the microfiber is physically, mechanically removing all the debris and up to 99% of bacteria from your floor. Your floors are going to look amazing. They're going to feel amazing. No more sticky tackiness. So good. Okay, also in the standard starter kit is a sample size, I think it's 250 gram size, I don't have this one in it, of our PowerZyme laundry detergent. Now, I believe that cleaning up our laundry and using super clean detergents is one of the biggest ways to improve your health. Just because we wear clothes all the time, we sleep in sheets, we sleep in towels, all those things are washed in laundry soap. So if that detergent happens to have some potentially harmful ingredients in it, we literally are soaking it right into our skin. The PowerZyme laundry detergent is super powerful on odors and stains, and it's super gentle for those with sensitive skin as well. So you're going to get a sample of the PowerZyme in your kit, the 250 gram, as well as a cleaning paste, a baby cleaning paste, all right? So this is the mini, this is the Power Cleaning Paste. Remember, it's made out of a marble flour, so it's going to feel like a dry chunk. Okay, but when you take your damp EnviroCloth and you roll it on top of that, then you can clean your stove top. I love it on my stove, or your sink, your shower, your tub, your tennis shoes. It's just we like to say it has 101 uses, and I think it practically does. Also, with the mop system, you will want the rubber brush. Why? Because when this is full of pet hair or debris, you don't want to throw it in the washer with that. So the rubber brush over the garbage is going to get all that debris right into your garbage can so that you don't have to wash it every time. And when you do have to wash it, then you don't have to put it in with the debris. Now, the cool thing about the Norwex microfiber is that you wash it in the washer and dry it in the dryer. Again, your main rule is no fabric softener, no dryer sheets, and preferably use an eco-friendly detergent, okay? Also in the standard starter kit are the 3 face and body cloths in graphite. These with just water will cleanse your face, take off your makeup, and will cleanse your body. Just water. Amazing, really good for people who have sensitive skin especially and aren't able to tolerate a lot of the body washes and soaps and get irritated by those. All right, so that is what comes in the standard starter kit. Also this super cute little bag that you can carry around your supplies with, some catalogs, and some business materials to get you started. With the Safe Haven 5 Plus kit, you will pay upfront with $149 plus the tax and shipping. And this kit is nice if you, maybe have the mop, don't need a mop that comes with the standard kit, or if you just like to just pay up front and know, hey, I'm taken care of, I'm good to go. Whatever the case may be, it's very similar to the standard starter kit in that you're going to get the window cloth EnviroCloth dust mitt, the mini cleaning paste, and then you're going to get 3 to 250 grams of the PowerZyme laundry detergent, so they're a little bit smaller. And you're gonna get a couple sample sizes of the PowerZyme detergent, a variety of the skincare sample sachets, and a variety of the microfiber samples, as well as the microfiber deep cleaner, okay? So that's what comes in the Safe Haven 5 Plus, along with some business supplies. And this kit, you just pay up front the $149 plus tax and shipping. Your third option is the samples starter kit. This is a $30 kit. It's perfect if you already have tons of Norwex or you're on a really tight budget, but you want to jump in, become a consultant, begin earning that 35% and maybe adding some extra to your budget. This one comes with the EnviroCloth and window cloth in the purple and gray combination color, and the PowerZyme 2 samples, the mini cleaning paste, and then a number of the skincare sachet samples. So again, this is a very pared down kit. You pay $30 plus tax and shipping up front, and there's no sales requirement. Then you have your consultant account. So again, just to recap, the standard starter, you start for $10 shipping. They give you 45 days to sell $1,500 in sales, or if not, you pay $200 for that kit. Or you can choose the Safe Haven 5 Plus, or which is $149, or the sample kit, which is $30 plus your tax and shipping. All right, so if you're ready to jump in and you're working with a consultant, you're going to want to get their joining link. If you are jumping in with me as your sponsor and mentor, I would be super honored to help you get started. And my joining link is joinwithsonya.com. Please reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to connecting with you.